Hello, welcome to Jake and Kate, presented by Little Pine Education, the best phonics stories ever, Level B, number 25. First, let's practice the long A words. Kate, skate, Jake, brave, stage, game, bake, cakes, lake, shade, share, shake, snakes, rake, same. Challenge words, both and little. Kate likes to act on the stage. Jake likes to play a game. They both like to bake cakes. They both like to swim at the lake. And rest in the shade. They both like to have a shake. They do not like to rake. Oh no, here comes some more leaves. They do not like snakes. Ah! They are a little the same and a little not the same. They are friends. That's the end. I hope to see you again next time.